I'm Michael Davies. I teach at Xi'an International School of Tourism. I have 200 students. Their English is all over. Some of them can hardly speak English at all. I noticed right about the second or third class that they all look at you, they just look at you as if they know exactly what you're saying, but they really don't understand. And when you talk to them urally, they will just not understand you, usually. So what I found is that if I'm a big camera buff, so I film them. I film them a lot. And what I found out is that when I film them doing a prepared statement, after they realize they're being filmed a couple of times, they start really improving their English because they know it's going to be on film. And so, and I also noticed, because I have 200 students, that some of these kids, I will lose them. We took a picture of them in the first class, and then the second class, they put their hair a different way, they wear glasses. You know, I would not recognize them. So I go through a whole semester and I go, who was this person? So now what I do is that when they come into the first day of class, instead of them meeting me, I'm going to have a prepared statement for them, where they're going to read this prepared statement. Who am I? And then they're going to read a list of words. Usually, cooking, food, you know, those kind of words. They have trouble with wine. They will read a list of those words the very first class, so that I get a sense for where they're at in the class itself. And then I'll do that at the middle of the semester and at the end of the semester. And their goal, every time they come into my class, they will have to speak English, and they will probably get filmed doing it. Because I have noticed that when they get filmed, they practice. And they will be prepared because they know they're going to be filmed, and they get to see it.